Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to download Paylocity mobile application. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Before jumping right into our video, let me tell you what Paylocity is. Paylocity is an American company which provides cloud-based payroll and human capital management software. In order to download the application on your mobile device, go to your Play Store for your Android, and go to your App Store for your iOS device. Search for Paylocity, and once you find the app, tap on the Install button. Wait until the app downloads on your device. Tap Open the application. As soon as you do that, in the very first interface type in your company ID in the first text field, you see. Enter your username on the next field and enter the correct password for your account, and log into your account by tapping on the Login button. That is how you can easily download Paylocity mobile application on your device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.